got this problem since I'm charged with USB to USB-C. Now you see, just like as if it's charging, but there's no cable at all. Cannot start up.